Welcome to the Frugal Family. My name is Julie, and this is another Frugal Mama Reviews. Yes, we are trying out all kinds of products so that we can give you the word, the good word, or the warning against. Lots of different items, things that you might be considering, and is it worth your hard-earned dollar? Let Frugal Mama figure that out. Even though this is an item that was sent to us, a sponsored item, you know Frugal Mama's gonna be honest and thorough and tell you exactly what I think of it. So here's why we accepted this particular product for review. I love our driveway. Super long with so many possibilities. Someday maybe we'll have a garage here. But in the meantime, the kids love to play basketball. James works on our cars. I am back and forth with a wheelbarrow with all of my gardening. The problem is, once evening comes along and the sun starts to set, we lose that area of our property. It is just not usable. And for years, I mean years, I have been wanting to get some kind of outdoor lights, floodlights, something, so that we could continue to enjoy that space, utilize it even after dark. Because a lot of times, especially in the summer or the warmer months, if the kids are out there playing, they're obviously going to want to play when it's cooler, but not in the dark. So I was thrilled when this brand Olafus, I'm gonna say Olafus because it sounds like Olaf and I love Olaf. Anyway, when Olafus got in touch with us and said, hey, we have lots of fabulous lighting products, all kinds for all of your different needs, I was like right away, yes, this spring and summer, we are gonna be able to use that driveway after dark. I said, you've got so many great options. I mean, they have everything, fairy lights even. Battery-powered fairy lights. They have track lighting, they have strip lighting, all of it. They have floodlights, they have motion sensor lights, but I knew right away this was the one that was going to be the best for our family. So this is the Olafus LED floodlight. Let's go ahead and open it up. There will be, of course, a link for this in the video description. It would really help the Frugal Family channels if you did take 2 seconds to go ahead and click on that link. The more clicks that we get on these kinds of sponsored items, the more products we will be able to review for you so that you know if that's the item for you and your home, if that's something that is worth your hard-earned money. So yeah, if you have a minute, please go ahead and click on that link. And also, while you're here, why not subscribe if you haven't already? We would seriously appreciate that. It would mean the world. It's such a simple thing, costs you nothing, just a quick subscribe. Okay, so nicely packaged, several different bits and pieces. I want to make sure that I get all of them. Okay, so they have different options, okay? Some of them come with a plug, so you could just plug it into your outdoor outlet, electricity outlet. This one, I think, however, has to actually go into the lighting of your house, the electrical of your house. So I will have James doing this. That will not be something that I will attempt to do. Look at that, that's great. These are bendable, they move in different directions, that's wonderful. Then, except am I doing on the wrong way? What am I doing wrong? Because here's this big light and that's on the back, so I must be doing something wrong. I guess it would be helpful, wouldn't it, if I read the instructions? Oh, here is the plate for it, okay, for installation. Let's see, LED dusk to dawn wall light. Yeah, okay, so they are all supposed to be together. So what am I doing? Oh, okay, all right. Okay, hold on.
I am smart. S-M-R-T. I mean S-M-A-R-T.
It is user-friendly. It just might not be Julie-friendly. So these do twist and turn, all right, so that you can position them in whatever way is best for you. But there you go. No, that's not it either. God. Here we... Look, if you've been with the Frugal Family with me for any amount of time, this is not surprising at all. You know, Mama's a bit of a fruit cake. Okay, there you go. Now they're all facing forward. But you can have these side ones going elsewhere, and this one, I think it could go up and down. Oh, yes, it can. There is a screw right there. So if you wanted to have this pointing more this way, just undo that screw and you can move that. I really like that it is positionable. Obviously, though, once it's up there, 10, 12 feet up, you're not going to be messing much with it, I don't think. So I would say you're going to want to have it where you want it, in the way that you want it.
That's what she said.
From the beginning, but I mean, if you can get up on a ladder and move it around for different things that you have going on, yeah, why not? So, okay, these are the wires coming out of it. I know nothing about these. If you, like me, are someone that knows nothing about stuff like this, I would recommend getting the one that plugs into the outlet, especially if you don't have someone and it's not within your means to hire someone to come and install it. They do have, I'll try to put pictures here, they do have options that just plug right in. And I'm sure by following the link in the video description, it will also take you to a place where you could see those options as well. I'm going to have my husband install this. He is not an electrician, but he knows enough to change out lights and fans and things like that. Because this is not the one that you just plug in, I'm not going to be able to show you that part of it, like how bright and how light it is. I wish I could, and I'm sorry that I can't, but it's snowing. Okay? And I'm not gonna have my husband go out in the snow and ice up on a ladder like 16 feet to figure out wires and put this in. But please do stay tuned, because as soon as the weather is good, as soon as it's looking nice, we will update you on this light. Hopefully my husband will be able to quickly get it installed. Not that we'll be using it right away, definitely not in this weather, although maybe if we wanted to like go out and do snow angels of an evening, Let me tell you about the structure of it. It is made of plastic, but it is really a nice, durable, solid plastic. It feels good. It's heavy. And I don't know that this always holds true, but I've always believed that if a product was heavier, it was better quality. Is that accurate? I don't know. I'm not sure, but it does feel pretty solid. I'm happy about that. Here's all the little LED lights. There is some protective film over them. I'm not going to take it all the way off because I don't want them to get ruined because, life, kitty cat, whatever. It also comes with a bunch of screws, some wall anchors, and the little plug things. What are these even called that go over the wires so that, you're safe? I will put a disclaimer in here. If you do purchase this kind of a light, the kind that has to actually be wired into the house, into your electricity, please be careful. Don't do this if you are someone that doesn't know how and trying to, DIY it yourself. You can DIY so many things. Please do not DIY your electricity. Please don't, okay? I know we learn so much from YouTube. We can find out so many things, how to do so much stuff, save ourselves money. But when it comes to electricity, please, that's not a DIY, okay? If you're not able to do it yourself and you don't have the means to hire someone, please go with the plug-in option. I am so grateful to Olafus for sending us this outdoor light, much needed. We will get it put up soon, so stay tuned for an update video, not only on this product, but several other products that we have been trying out. You're gonna wanna see it. I'm gonna wanna show you. We're gonna wanna get out there and enjoy the evening when it's not icy and snowing. Oh my goodness. We will be reviewing so many more products with Frugal Mama Reviews, where you get an honest review of that product and what I think of the quality. And sometimes there'll have to be update videos to get the full effect, but I will give you my real thoughts on that item, regardless if we buy it ourselves or if it is sent to us like this one. Thank you, Olafus, for this opportunity. We hope to work with them again. And if any of you have products that you are looking at, that you're thinking about purchasing, stuff that you need to buy anyway, but you're just like, I don't know if that particular one is worth the money and I can't find any reviews on it, whatever, please go ahead and in the comments, tell us what item you are interested in, and we will do our best. We will try to review that product for you so that you know if it's a good value for you and your hard-earned money. People are going to be buying stuff anyway. I am the Frugal Mama. I'm all about, fighting your consumerism. Stop buying cheap crap, that just is broken the next day and ends up in the landfill and single-use items. Okay, so some of you are like, well, then why are you bringing more stuff into your home or the outside of your home? These are things that we need anyway, things that will improve our lives, our comfort, our happiness in our home and in our lives. People are gonna buy stuff anyway. You might as well get something that's a good value. And if you can get it for less, hey, that's frugal. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. I do hope that you are subscribed, and if you have a minute, feel free to give us a thumbs up or even a thumbs down. We would, of course, appreciate a thumbs up. But most importantly, thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, and we'll see you all real soon.